Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really special coconut yogurt. We're going to use the Lactobacillus reuteri probiotic strain, or L. reuteri for short. And if you want to know a little bit more about that probiotic strain, then check out our blog posts. We've previously done a dairy milk version of this yogurt. Today we're doing a coconut yogurt, and I can tell you that this one tastes great and you're going to love it. For the starter culture today, I'm going to use the BioGaia Gastrus probiotic tablets, and I'm going to use agar-agar as a thickening agent. Whenever you're making yogurt at home, it's really important to keep all of your equipment sterilized. Make sure to sterilize anything that might come into contact with the yogurt ingredients. So that's your pot, your whisk, a thermometer, and your yogurt jars. Not all coconut products are equal, but we've had really good, consistent results with the Aroy D product. We've got more information about other brands that we've had success with on the blog post, so check that out. I'm going to be making enough coconut yogurt to fill both the Pure and the Pure Plus yogurt makers, but I'll be giving you the quantities for just one single batch. So that's enough to fill 4 of the ceramic canisters for the Pure yogurt maker or the glass jar for the Pure Plus model. Start by adding 3 400ml cans of coconut milk, or you could use a combination of coconut milk and coconut cream, and then sprinkle over 2 teaspoons of agar-agar powder. Give it a whisk and then take this to the stovetop. Gently heat the coconut milk to 87 degrees Celsius or 190 Fahrenheit and hold that temperature for 5 minutes to activate the agar-agar. Continue whisking so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Remove it from the heat and let it cool to below 42 degrees Celsius or below 108 degrees Fahrenheit. Crush up 3 of the BioGaia Gastrus probiotic tablets in a mortar and pestle or on a hard surface with a knife. Put this into a small bowl and add 2 tablespoons of inulin powder along with 1 teaspoon of white sugar or a tablespoon of pasteurized honey. Once the coconut milk has cooled down, add 1/4 cup to your powder mix and stir it to form a slurry. Add the slurry to the rest of the coconut milk and whisk it together. Pour it straight into your yogurt jar, or you could use a ladle to pour it into your ceramic jars, and then you can place the lids on top. Place the jars into the base of the yogurt maker and then fill the base with water up to the tall line indicator. Place the cover lid on top, and now you can punch in your settings using the digital control panel. Set the temperature to 38 degrees Celsius, the time to 24 hours, and then press confirm to begin incubation. When the time is up, place the yogurt in the fridge for at least 6 hours to chill and set. After that, you can use a whisk or a stick blender to create a smooth, creamy texture. So there you go, our L. reuteri coconut yogurt that you can make for yourself at home in the Pure or the Pure Plus yogurt maker. This is a really great tasting coconut yogurt, and you can check out more information about L. reuteri, other tips and tricks on making homemade yogurt on the blog page. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele life recipes. And if you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us. We'll be back really soon with another great recipe.